Hello everybody, welcome to Kitty Cooking. We will be cooking as a cat. But first I gotta knock out Grandma so she doesn't see. Hi Grandma, you having fun Grandma? You watching the dogs? Alright, Grandma's knocked out. Alright, we cooked the hot dog. The hot dog go in the sink. Now we need to cook potato. Potato almost cooked. Potato's burnt now. That's perfect. That's the perfect temperature. No! Potato's gonna get dirty. No, not the potato. I'm not Kobe. I think I kind of glitched my hand. So it's just arms. No head or anything. You know, we get this, we put it in the sink too. You know, I don't even need that. You know, I don't even need that. I just like potatoes. Potato better. Hey, sit down. We continue chopping it. This knife sucks. No, I'm just gonna jump Grandma. Grandma, what you watching? Aren't you mad at me? You know what? Oh, you're looking at those plants? Don't they look so pretty? I think they look pretty too. Grandma, what's your pass? I don't even need this computer, Grandma. You don't even know what a computer is. That's how old you are. I don't even need this stupid computer. I'm just gonna destroy. Bro, did I break the game or something? Like, isn't the grandma supposed to get mad? Cause like I saw in the thing, like he was right here, and the grandma came with the frying pan, and then he was like. How many times do I need to knock Grandma out for her to be mad, bro? You know what? I'm gonna kill her. I'm even gonna knock her out at this point, bro. What the? I dropped it? I didn't even drop it. Take this, Grandma. Oh my god, my game's lagging so much. I think I need to get away from Grandma. Yeah. Alright, guys, well, that's the end of today's video because I think I broke the game. But like and subscribe if you want to see more. Peace.